Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to be picking the winner of my secret giveaway. So on this video here, the 12 days of junk journaling, I did a secret giveaway. So this is where I did the putting the spine dangle together. I have to skip the ads here. Here we go. So this is where I was doing the making the spine dangle as part of the 12 days. And I had mentioned that I was doing a secret giveaway, and all you had to do was leave a comment. And so what the giveaway is, it's going to be this cute little home for a bunny, little golden book, and it has the story in there as well as these decorative scrapbook papers in here, and they're double-sided scrapbook papers, and then also a little pack of just different ephemera bits and pieces. So I have like some old ledger and some music paper and all kinds of little goodies in there. And so that is what the winner will be receiving. And so I'm going to use a comment picker. And so if you win, then you'll need to email me and at KentuckyCrafter1, the number 1, at gmail.com, and I'll have it down below. So here's the video here. I've excluded my comments because I replied to people's comments, and so that left 11 comments right there. So I'm going to hit the start button. And the winner is Regina Wallace. Yay, Regina. So Regina, I can't remember if I have your mailing address or not. So please email me within the next 24 hours and just let me know that you saw this, and send me your mailing address and I'll get this off in the mail to you. Yay, Regina. All right, guys, you all have a happy new year, and I will see you in 2026. Woohoo!